Hi students, intermediate, second year, English medium. We are discussing the tertiary sector. So in the tertiary sector, the discussing topic is insurance. First of all, tertiary sector. Tertiary sector, it is a third sector. Tertiary sector is also known as service sector. Tertiary sector is also known as service sector. Health, education, insurance, banking. So these are all points are come under the third sector or tertiary sector or service sector. So here in the service sector, in this video I am going to analyze the insurance sector. What is the insurance? How many types of insurance and what are the objectives of insurance are the discussing topic in this video. Let me say clearly. Here, insurance means automatically to provide the economic security and encourage the saving facilities. The insurance companies are encouraged the insurance. The customers who are ready to interest or the company's aim is to encourage the saving and social security, means financial security. So for this purpose, the insurance was started by the insurance companies, for example, and so many problems are faced by the human beings in the society, for example, health facilities, economical facilities, and other unexpected issues due to provide more and more economic security. To provide more and more economic securities, the government of India has introduced the insurance. The insurance in 1935, the insurance company was started in India, but after getting the independence, the insurance was so many amendments was held. So after 1990, there was a few hands of corporate sector. So the insurance is divided into the two categories or two types. Insurance sector, one is a life insurance. First one is a life insurance. Second one is a general insurance. Simple and one is life insurance plus general insurance. LIC and GIC, the two categories were divided by the insurance. So here the life insurance means is covered by the life. Is the life of the human beings. For example, suppose if any problem in the life security, life problem, life problem and health problem, and for this situation, the life insurance policy has covered. Okay, so the Life Insurance Corporation of India, LIC, was nationalized by in 1956. Then LIC was nationalized by 1956. So LIC is one of the financial security of the life of the human beings. LIC is only the life security of the human beings. So this is also one of the supporting factor to encourage the saving and provide the financial security of the customers, of the people. So the LIC was started of government of India. It was nationalized by 1956. So the LIC, what are the objectives of LIC? Life Insurance Corporation of India. What are the objectives are there? Let me say here, the life insurance was here. Objectives of LIC: to spread life insurance to rural area, to socially, economically backward sections of the population, covering the risk life of at a renewable cost. Okay, so most of the people are in their risk. To against the risk, the Life Insurance Corporation was what is the insurance policy has a help. So through the insurance policies, the companies have introducing the financial security. So that's why it is to spread life insurance to rural area, to socially and economically backward section of the population, covering the risk of life at the renewable cost. So this is the first objective of Life Insurance Corporation of India. Second, to maximize the saving of making insurance, link saving and attractives. Yes, the main objective of the LIC, it is a what is it? Saving, maximum savings. The main objective of LIC is maximum savings by making insurance linked saving activities. Okay, so this is the main objective of life insurance or insurance companies. Then to provide the security to policyholders money with higher returns. So the money with higher returns, it can get income by the policyholders. Okay, so to provide security to policyholders money with high returns. Then to invest the policyholders money keeping view of the advantage to interest and the community. Okay, so it gives the interest policies. Then to maintain the economy, to population and to operation and full realization of the investors of the money. So this is also one of the objectives of Life Insurance Corporation of India. And moreover, there is a life policies are there and the endowment policies are there. So endowment policy means after maturity. After maturity, the LIC Life Insurance Corporation has of India has given the amount after maturity period. So many schemes were implemented by the Life Insurance Corporation, money back policy, endowment policies and other policies. Okay na? So many policies were introduced by the లైఫ్ ఇన్సూరెన్స్ కార్పొరేషన్ ఆఫ్ ఇండియా. అనేక రకాలుగా ఇవి పాలసీస్ని ఇంట్రడ్యూస్ చేస్తూ ఉంది. ఈ పాలసీస్ ప్రకారం వాళ్ళకు కావలసినటువంటి ప్రమాదాల నుంచి, యాక్సిడెంట్ నుంచి కానీ, లేకపోతే థెఫ్ట్ నుంచి కానీ, లేకపోతే ఇంకేదైనా అవసరాల నుంచి కానీ ఇది సెక్యూరిటీ ఇస్తుంది. ఓకే, ఏమైనా ప్రమాదం జరిగితే, అనారోగ్యం ఏర్పడితే, ఇల్నెస్ ఏర్పడితే వాటిని తిరిగి భర్తీ చేసుకోవాలి. కాబట్టి తిరిగి నష్టపోకుండా వాళ్ళు తిరిగి ఆ డబ్బును పొందడం కోసం ఇన్సూరెన్స్ కంపెనీస్ యొక్క పాలసీని ఇంట్రడ్యూస్ చేయడం జరిగింది. ఓకే, సో దిస్ ఇస్ వన్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ లైఫ్ ఇన్సూరెన్స్ పాలసీ. ఇట్ ఈస్ ఓన్లీ కవర్డ్ బై ద లైఫ్ ఆఫ్ ద హ్యూమన్ బీయింగ్స్. ఓకేనా? సో దిస్ ఇస్ ద ఫస్ట్ హ్యాండ్. అండ్ ద సెకండ్ హ్యాండ్ ఈస్ అదర్ హ్యాండ్ ఈస్ General Insurance Company, GIC. The GIC was it is one of the insurance company. So after 1972, the insurance number of insurance companies are there, general insurance companies. So the number of general insurance companies were organized by only the 4 categories. The GIC mainly 4 categories insurance companies are there. Here one is National Insurance Company Limited. One is National Insurance Company Limited. Next, New India Insurance Company Limited, Oriental Insurance Company Limited, and United India Insurance Company Limited. So, New India Assurance Insurance Company Limited are the 4 types of general insurance of India. So before the 1972, so number of insurance companies are there. But after the 1972, the number of insurance companies are reorganized on the base of the 4 general insurance companies. So the 4 general insurance companies are generally covered by the marine, fire and theft and other general issues, general items. So it can cover up the general insurance coverage. Okay na? So here the objectives of General Insurance Corporation of India means building them mutually benefit relation with the business partners. Yes, the policy holders, who are the policy holders, so they can be beneficial relation with the business partners. First, protecting the fair business practices and ethics. Yes, this can the activities of the General Insurance Corporation is mainly practices and ethics, fair business practice. Okay, it can observe the fair business practices. Then applying the state of art, the technology process of the including. Then enterprises, risk management and innovative results. Then enhancing the profitability and financial strength for the benefiting the global positions. So this is also one of the supporting factor of General Insurance Corporation of India. And moreover, here another one of the institution is there, IRDA, Insurance Regulatory Development Authority. See here, Insurance Regulatory Development Authority. So this is one of the institution was established by 2000. It's a 2000. The main aim of the Insurance Regulatory Development Authority was to regulate. Here the two firms are there, LIC and GIC. LIC and GIC totally organized by the IRDA. The IRDA organized to the LIC and GIC. It can inspect, it can coordinate, it can regulate the duties and so the functionings. సో టోటల్లీ ఐఆర్డిఏ అనేటువంటి దీన్ని రెగ్యులేట్ చేస్తుంది, కరెక్ట్గా పనిచేసేటట్టు చేస్తుంది, కరెక్ట్గా ఉండేటట్టు చూస్తుంది. అండ్ మోర్ ఓవర్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఏ ఫెయిర్ ప్రాక్టీసెస్ అండ్ ఎథిక్స్ మెయింటైన్ చేసేటట్టుగా ఐఆర్డిఏ అనేటువంటి ఇన్స్టిట్యూషన్ చూస్తుంది. ఓకే, సో ఓవరాల్గా మనకు మ్యాక్సిమం ఇక్కడ ఎల్ఐసి అండ్ జిఐసి. ఎల్ఐసి ఇస్ ద లైఫ్ కవర్ అండ్ జిఐసి ఇస్ ద అదర్ ఇన్స్ట్రుమెంట్స్, ఫైర్ అండ్ థెఫ్ట్ అండ్ మెరైన్. ఓకే, సో వీటిని కవర్ చేస్తుంది, అంటే లైఫ్ కాకుండా మిగిలినవన్నీ జిఐసి చేస్తుంది. మొత్తానికి ఓవరాల్గా ఇన్సూరెన్స్ అంటే ఏదైనా ప్రమాదం జరిగినప్పుడు, అనారోగ్యం ఏర్పడినప్పుడు, లేకపోతే ఇంకేదైనా అవసరం వచ్చినప్పుడు కావలసినటువంటి అంటే రిస్క్ బెనిఫిట్స్ ఉన్నాయి, ప్లస్ ఎండోమెంట్ బెనిఫిట్స్ ఉన్నాయి. రిస్క్ అంటే సపోజ్ ఒక పర్సన్ ఇన్సూరెన్స్ చేశాడు అనుకుందాం, ఒక పర్సన్ ఇన్సూరెన్స్ చేస్తే డెత్ అయ్యిండు అనుకోండి, ఆ రిస్క్ బెనిఫిట్స్ మొత్తం ఇచ్చేస్తుంది. ఇది రిస్క్ బెనిఫిట్స్. ఎండోమెంట్ పాలసీ అంటే సపోజ్ ఒక పర్సన్ ఇన్సూరెన్స్ చేసిన తర్వాత ఆఫ్టర్ మెచ్యూరిటీ పీరియడ్ ఆ అమౌంట్ ఎంత అయితే రావాలో అమౌంట్ ప్లస్ రేట్ ఆఫ్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ మొత్తం కలిపి ఇచ్చేస్తుంది. ఇలా ఎకనామికల్గా సపోర్ట్ చేస్తుంది, ఎకనామికల్గా వాళ్ళకి కావాల్సిన ఫినాన్షియల్ ఫెసిలిటీస్ ప్రొవైడ్ చేస్తుంది. అండ్ మోర్ ఓవర్ అండ్ టు ఎంకరేజ్ ద saving facilities. So nowadays in India, so the LIC is one and only the biggest investment company in India. Okay, so these two are the playing a crucial role for the investment sector in India. So students, this is the way of the insurance. One is life insurance, second one is general insurance. Okay students, thank you.